Imagine you are trying to shift gears, but your car feels like it is fighting you or stuck in a single gear while the engine revs like crazy without gaining any speed. If your transmission is slipping or the car has suddenly entered what we call limp mode, you might be dealing with a P2733 code. This specific diagnostic trouble code tells us that the transmission pressure control solenoid marked as F is stuck in the on position in a modern automatic transmission, especially those in brands like Mercedes-Benz, Ford, or Honda. There are multiple solenoids that act like traffic cops for your transmission fluid. They direct high-pressure fluid to the right clutches and bands at exactly the right millisecond to change your gears smoothly. When solenoid F gets stuck on, the hydraulic balance is ruined, and your transmission cannot manage the pressure correctly. This can lead to overheating or a feeling like the car is misfiring when it is actually just a bad shift. The first thing you should do is check your transmission fluid level and its condition. If the fluid looks dark or smells burnt, it is a sign that internal components are wearing down, or that the fluid itself is so dirty, it is physically jamming the solenoid. Before you panic about needing a whole new transmission, you should check the wiring harness and the connectors leading to the transmission. Road salt and moisture can cause corrosion on those tiny pins, leading to a bad signal. You can use a digital multimeter to perform a continuity test on the solenoid circuit, and you should be looking for a reading of 0 ohms. If the wiring is fine and the fluid is clean, the problem might be a defective pressure control solenoid or a clogged internal filter. Cleaning the passages with a professional transmission flush or replacing the specific solenoid can often solve the problem. Just remember that ignoring this code can quickly turn a moderate shifting issue into a total transmission failure. So acting fast and checking the basics first is the best way to handle this situation.